You are watching
Tech World.
There are two ways to improve call quality. First is go to Settings, General, Accessibility, Hearing. In Hearing, go to Hearing Aids and turn on the hearing aid mode. For some reason, by doing this, you will feel a strong improvement in the call quality. Second method is for those who are using their iPhones for more than 5 to 6 months. So if you have a brand new iPhone or your iPhone is just 1 month old, this method is not for you. So what happens is with a bit of time, there is lint collapse in the speakers of the earpiece. You can clean the lint by using a needle and completely remove it off by blowing it. You will surely feel the voice reception will be extremely good after this. You can do the same on your volume speaker also to remove the lint, but be mindful not to use the needle aggressively. Just be careful while doing this. Kindly hit the thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. See you in my next video, and till then, goodbye, peace.
Tech World channel.
It's New Thinking.